Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Very good morning, afternoon, evening. Chije kusinzira bude chiwojjo okubera nga ate ogifuniramu update Fahadi Pro UG mbera onyo okubera nga tenga kunoonyeza nogako otussako naddala agabera gaguddewo agwejo otazibudde kubera nga ate otuuka wansawo ogenda wono obera nga ate soendowoozayo okusinzira nga bwogenda okubera nga ate ensonga oziwuliriza nterako ekigalo ku video ate tebirayo okubera nga ate osharingirako banno banange tubanja okubera nga ate twakamala okubera nga ate tuva mu nsonga za Abamakasi okubera nga ate yakwatiddwa mu ggwanga lya America ate abaana ab'omukulembeze w'ekibiina ki National Unity Platform Bachagulen Center mu bongedde okubeera nga temunange bamenya rekodi mu ggwanga lya America era nga munange nako olwejjo wabaddeyo NUP Convention Diaspora mu ggwanga lya America era nga munange conference eno yabadde y'amaanyi nnyo mu ggwanga lya America abantu ab'enjawulo basobodde okubeera nga tebagi ateninka era nga mwabo abasobodde okubeera nga tebagendayo mwabaddemu n'abaana b'omukulembeze w'ekibiina ki National Unity Platform Bachagulen Center era nga kwabaddeko SUUBI Kyagulanyi kwabaddeko Shadraka kwabaddeko ne Solomon Kampala. Solomon ye yesiza okubeera nga temunange ajja ne mukyala we namagembe ye ate yasodde okubeera nga ate alabikako olw'ensonga nti ayina emirimu giri okubeera nga temunange egimu overside zeeyo. Akaseera katuuse abaana bonna ne babeera nga tebayitibwa kubeera nga tebabuuza ku bantu era nga abaana abakoze ebintu ebyewuunyisa abaana boogera oluzungu bannange. Nawuliriza SUUBI Shine Kyagulanyi era nga abantu ab'enjawulo omwabadde n'abazungu bavuddeyo beewuunya oluvannyuma okubeera nga tebawuliriza sipiiki y'ono omwana era nga njagala kubeera nga ate mbikuterawo naawe atasobodde okubeera nga ate obiraba ensonga ezo osobola okubeera nga ate ozewulirako biki ebisobodde okubeera nga ate bihappeninga side zeeyo sako n'ensonga endala nyingi nnyo nga bwe ziri mu kubeera nga tezitambula mu ggwanga lyattu Uganda. Tula butuzikalira Shaka Shirafu omufuna ajja kulombereddwa ku namba z'essimu ku stickers amwekwate buli kimu kijja kubeera nga tekitambula bulungi nnyo amalirira sana katusimbule ne speech ez'abaana bano abalolo Bachagulen Center zisobodde okubeera nga tebakola ezaleetedde n'abazungu okubeera nga tebavuddewo banyeenya emitwe embeera nga bwe yabadde side zeeyo katubirabe temubaawo.
I want to thank my family, friends. Although many people tend to look at me as a solid guy, but nobody can stand without family. I salute my wife every day, but I want to thank my children for bearing with us, bearing with me. Come here, Solomon. Come here, Shadrach. Come here, SUUBI. Yeah. Okay, come here, Solomon. I want you to introduce yourself and just say a word.
Speak fast. Okay. Tata says, thank you so much everyone for coming. And I want to start with saying, we are the youngest population in the world, we stand a chance. Today is going to be on two things that I've noticed many evil regimes in the world have pushed on us, the youth. It is fear and hate. The fear of one another and the fear of what will be done to us if we don't follow orders without thinking about them first. So, hate. You need to think about why you hate someone. We should never hate each other because of pride. We should never hate each other because of social standing, and we should never hate each other for no reason because someone else told us to hate each other. We should never fear speaking out our thoughts, especially if we have thought about it and seen that what is happening around us is not normal.
Hello everyone, my name is Shadrach. I'm 16 years old and I'm so grateful to be here with all of you. I've met so many intelligent minds, strong people that show bravery, people that run away from home just like us. But my people, let me tell you this, when we go home, we shall go to a new, better Uganda. Uganda's Kuka, wake up, because As Solomon said, the youth, us, we need to know what's happening in our country. We can't see politics as, that's old people things. No, it's how our country is run. It's how things move. And we need to understand it from a young age. My parents have done an amazing job at making sure we understand everything, at making sure we know everything we need to know at a young age. And for that, Mama and Tata, I salute you.
Hello everyone, my name is SUUBI, as you already know. I currently turned 11 years old a few days ago. And I also firstly want to start by saying thank you so much for being here. It means a lot to me and it means a lot to my family. You guys are mainly the main point that we're here today. You're the main point we're keeping going right now. Thank you so much for all your inspiration, and thank you so much for supplying my family with home. I'm not gonna say specific for security reasons. And thank you so much for all the love you've given us. Please clap for yourselves, because you guys are all we have right now, literally. And I also want to say that I'm very angry at what Uganda has come to. I was born in a place where nature was happy and where we were all together. Now it's full of a place of rumble and war. That is embarrassing.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Never mind anywhere to leader. You guys can go between your seats. Those kids came in here as refugees. I never imagined that a day will come, but that day came. Bobby and I talked about it so many days, so many times, because we knew that facing a dictator means either going to jail, or going to the grave, or going to exile. I chose the best case scenario, and that is exile. Like everybody else, you run into a place, into a world that you don't know. But because you friends are here, many people used to come into exile. I used to sign documents to support people stay here. I didn't know that once upon a time, a day will come and I have to take my document to Kauma to sign for me. But at least we have each other, and we give thanks to that.
The gift of life.
We've spoken so much this whole weekend, and indeed there's much more that we're going to speak to each other. So much we speak public. Not everything we're going to say here. Because even here as we speak, we know the regime is watching us. But one thing that we are not shying about is that our mission has always been, is, and will always be removing Museveni from power. We want to remove those thieves from power so that Uganda can become for Uganda, so that our people can have a voice. We have never changed that. That is non-negotiable. That is our mission. And even if we're in the diaspora, I'm here to inform you that America now is the new base. The diaspora is the new base. For me, what I undertake is to move from door to door, from state to state, from country to country, from camp to camp, to ensure that we galvanize Ugandans and friends of Uganda to march back home. So please, ladies and gentlemen, much as the formal and official engagement is the annual convention, I request that this energy should last the next 365 days. There's so many groups that have engaged with religious leaders, elders, women leaders, youthful leaders, and there are many that we hope to engage with. Our mission now is to organize, 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 organize. Pastor Manapa was preaching much earlier today, and I appreciated it because he mentioned that we are going from strength to strength. Much as many of you tend to feel bad, you feel like we lost it because Museveni rigged the election. But think about the small wins. Once upon a time, the people of Uganda, especially the young people, were consumed with the only country in the world where you can get drunk on less than $50. People don't know their rights. They don't know where they're coming from or where they're going, but they know that there's betting. They know that you can get drunk for cheap, but that is changing rapidly. No wonder now the government is sponsoring crime. You find a man called Damolira using state funds to build gangs of thieves. And they'll go national TV and tell people, if we find a national flag in your shop, we are going to rob it. Why? Because they're trying to crush that patriotism. However, I have good news for you. Our people are wide awake. That was our first mission, sensitization and awakening. That box is ticked. The second step was mobilization and unification. And this we achieved it massively in this recently concluded election. Our people across the country, and we were deliberate, telling our people, don't carry the president's photo. No, carry the national flag. And I have good news for you. Ugandans are united across tribes, across religion, across ethnicity, across gender, from the north to the south, from the east to the west and central. They are all united now and mobilized. So that box is also ticked. Now there is one important thing that I want us to do, that is organize. Let us first start by organizing ourselves. There's no other person apart from you. And I'm glad one comrade mentioned it. When you look at the ministers, you are the next ministers, you are the next governors, you are the next leaders, you. So every step that you take it knowing the nation is looking at you. Obama used to say it, and I want to reiterate it, that we are the hope that we have been waiting for. Those so-called intellectuals, I always say, look at Museveni's ministers. Look at Museveni's ministers, really. You know. So now you know that we have to present something. The way we behave speaks of the kind of leadership that we're going to bring. The way we conduct ourselves, our moral standards, our value system, all must be a depiction of the new Uganda that we want to bring. Let this conversation begin from home. I was so impressed when I saw young children in America coming here speaking about Uganda in a knowledgeable way. Start from your home. Organize from your home. Make it a set. Make it a unity. And then let's take it out there. So let us organize, friends. Organize in our chapters. Organized in the countries that we are in, organized in the continents where we inhabit, and then organized globally. Always never forget the power of the diaspora. For every single revolution that has happened, the energy has come from the diaspora. So let each of us do what we can. I like to always say that we are going to turn this problem into an opportunity. Museveni drove me out of Uganda. He forgot that I had done my work in Uganda already. There's a time when they arrested me and took me to prison. I did not want to leave prison because I had work to do there. Now they drop me into exile. I have a lot of work to do here in exile. So while I am here, I request that let each one of us become another BOBI wine. Whether young or old, I see so many old BOBI wines there. They are women, but they are powerful. I see Jajanuk there. That's another old BOBI wine. So let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Tukole buli kye tusobola basebo ne banyabo. Amaganda kati tugasige mu diaspora. Tukole bannayuganda kye batusuubira. Nali sifuna mukisa ze kujja kwengejenga n'abantu ojja ennaku bbiri olina okudduka naye kati wendi bwenva wano nga nzira wali tugina okutuukiriza emirimu bakitaffe ba Andrew Kayira gye baatandika mu myaka gy'ekinaana. Obuwangwa bwaffe bategeeza nti abantu tebafa. No, tulina okuwa chansi abo bazeeyi baffe ne bazuukiramu ffe nga tukola emirimu gyabwe nga tutuukiriza ebirooto byabwe. We cannot reinvent the wheel. No, omulimu guno si ffe tukutandise. Ekyobugaga kye tukola kwe kugutwala mu maaso. We should not mind about completing it. We should just not give up. Because this fight is generational. Tuina kugenda bugenzi mu maaso. We have not gotten where we want to be, but we are not where we used to be. So let us take pride and comfort in the small wins. They might be small, but in the face of the dictator, these are not small wins. That man does not sleep. And even so, let us keep fighting. Let us trust in God. Let us have no hate in our hearts. Let us persuade all people to join us. Abantu bangi nnyo tetubadde kusaidi emu. Naye nabo nga bwe tuze tubagamba nti mujja kiwulira. Bazze bakiwulira. So emikono mugigulewo. Buli ayogera amazima, buli ayimirira ku mazima abeera munnaffe. Omuntu yenna ng'ebikolwa bye birwanyisa nakyemalira era nga binafuya kigavumenti kya Museveni, oyo mumuwanga omukono bassebo ne bannyabo. Many people are running into exile. Some are coming to America, others are going to Europe and other countries. I want to stand here and send a message to all of you comrades in the diaspora. Please, the same way you've offered a soft landing for me, please offer a soft landing for every refugee that leaves Uganda. Let us start by what we want people to see us as. What we do to others, what other people do or say about us defines them. What we do or say about them defines us. So we have a chance to define ourselves. Let's do that. Brother, thank you very much for pushing God. And I want to thank you very much for all the sacrifices that you're doing and keeping us comfortable and hopeful. May God bless you. May God bless Uganda. And may God bless this struggle. Keep fighting, keep agitating, keep organizing, and keep mobilizing. We shall free our country. We shall free Dr. Kizza Besigye. We shall free Elias Lukwago. We shall free Alex Wells from Okombi, Dodori, NAKAYI, BOBI and BOBI, all of them, because they are innocent. Thank you very much for listening to me, ladies and gentlemen, for God and my country.
We cannot do much without knowledge, right? I keep hearing people power, people power, our power. I want to say financial power is what we've got to tell you about. You know, knowledge is power. I've been in the classroom teaching for about 20-something years. But when I came across this company,
abalungi abatuwuliriza era abatulaba olunaku olwaleero tukyaddeko ewa Sheikh Asiraf Dembe.
Sebo sanyusa okubalaba amannya agange Yozeseeka Asiraf Dembe akola ku bizibu by'enjawulo. Omuntu singa aba alina ebirwadde musomereddwa tunywa amazzi ga lukuya nga bw'obadde ogalaba tugenda abantu ku kyoto ne twokya emizimu emibi egibabaamu n'okulomba edduwa. Abantu singa abeera ng'ali wano atuuse sobola okumulombera edduwa ne waba atatuuse nga mpadde amannya ge naye ng'ali wala. Neetaase ennamba yange yeeno eri 0701763711. Nammwe bannyinaffe abali ebweru oyagala okuba nti oyagala okulombera ku dduwa ng'olina ebizibu viza zibuze amaka gakolongotana sente zikola zimpita mu ngalo ojja kumpeereza ekifaananyi kyo n'amannya go ebyo byokka bijja kummala nja kukulombera edduwa ojja kutereera. Olunaku olusembayo mu mwezi mba n'edduwa ey'awamu ffenna n'abalwadde bange abakadde n'abapya. Salaamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.